Hey guys, thank you for tuning in again. So today is February 15th and we are going to
Singapore. Look at mommy.
yeah. Alright guys, so before that, I'll show you a simple hack. So for those who are planning to go to the airport, let's say you're traveling abroad and then no one is going to bring you to the airport. So there's this very famous park and fly. However, there's this another, multi-level parking at the Terminal 3 that you can use. So I'll show you guys how easy, convenient, to park there. So you just have to bring your car with you, drive all the way down to the airport, and then bring everything, your luggages, etc. And then there's an access going straight to the airport. So very convenient. And I haven't tried it, but I checked some some reviews and vlogs, articles, etc. I haven't really checked how much it would cost us. What I'll do is I'll show you guys the rates. Also, I'll check how much would be the total cost from Feb 15th to Feb 20th, because we'll be back at the 20th. All right, so thank you guys for tuning in and enjoy the ride.
I'm frozen. Losing internet.
I'll show you my school, college.
You see,
There.
it's old school.
Shout out to all Erling people. So that's my school. When I was in college, Erling International Aviation College. There.
Like 10 years later, he's a grown up. So proud of my old man.
Alright, so literally 15 minutes after, arriving, so this little monster is already hungry.
Hey yo!
So we're gonna get some food here at the McDonald's.
Because I get hungry very easily. I am hungry.
Alright, we'll get back to you guys.
Later, see you at the airport.
Alright.
So hey guys, I'm eating. I'm satisfied.
Are you doing mukbang? Mukbang?
Raw. I'm hungry.
We are already entering Naia Terminal 3, guys. So you have to stay on the leftmost part lane where it says, arrivals parking. Here, guys. There. Okay. Then drive all the way down, and then you have to stay on the right side. So you'll really pass by the arrival base. So here, don't go inside that parking area. So stay here, guys. So there, it says multi-level parking. So there. So doon tayo pupunta, guys. So here are the arrival bays. And so it's best for you to stay on the left side. And be careful, passing through this route. Definitely there are a lot of people crossing, a lot of travelers crossing, also the airport crews, and always pedestrian priority. So if they're crossing, make sure to give way. Diba? We're not in a hurry naman. Ma-accident ka pa dito.
Have I ever went to Thailand?
So nearing the end of this path, you'll be be able to see the multi-level parking entrance. So doon tayo papasok, guys. Alright? Okay.
Yeah, what?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm so excited. Actually, in the nights, I might swim because I'm too excited.
Oh yeah? Alright. God. Things are really getting back to normal. Look, a lot of travelers already. Something that, you know, we've missed for almost 3 years, right?
Yeah, it started 2020.
Correct. So we're nearing the end of the arrival day, so it's best for us to stay in the mid lane so we can easily transition to the rightmost lane, going to the entrance of the multi-level parking. So we're hoping, guys, that we can find, you know, a parking slot easily, but here. So yeah, guys, it says here multi-level parking. So this parking area accepts overnight parking. So yun yung maganda. That's the advantage. So just bring your car with you, leave it here, and then when you get back in Manila, you just have to use your car again, diba? So the hassle of, you know, using cabs or grabs, tanggal na agad.
Things are really coming back to normal. Like all
So
of the
gonna ask
malls.
ate if hello ate, for overnight parking, level 3 E, level E. Alright guys, so ate said that we need to go to level E, so that's for the overnight parking. So we're here, guys, at the topmost level of the multi-level parking. So this is the level E. So ito yung overnight parking. So I think overnight parking, so it says straight here. Alright, so dito, there's a spot. I think we can just park there, right?
Yay!
Hold this one.
Yay! Guys, see, we can finally see the sun.
Good spot. Oh, let's not over. You're very lucky. We found a spot right away because it's really full packed. Alright guys, we're gonna prep our things and we'll get back to you once we are ready inside the airport. Bye!
See you in the airport.
Hey guys, we are back in Manila, so we will know how much is our total parking cost. Okay? We will check that and I'll show it to you guys. Welcome back, Philippines. Alright guys, so ito na yung bill natin. So for 5 days, I paid 1,410 in total. So sobrang good deal talaga siya, guys. Sobrang worth it siya. Kasi ganun din, back and forth. So let's just peg that, you know, 700 going to the airport, 700 going back home, which is hindi yung binabayaran namin for if we take a taxi or a grab. Mas mahal pa nga minsan kasi if it's nighttime. So good job. Okay to, highly recommended na doon tayo mag-park sa multi-level parking if ever you'll be using or you'll be taking Terminal 3. So just look for the multi-level parking area. Alright guys, thank you. Hope you enjoyed or learned something from today's video. Bye-bye.